Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're playing Among Us and I am the imposter. Make sure you guys go subscribe to Parkour Vultures PV. Make sure you go subscribe to them, Parkour Vultures PV. That would mean a lot if you go subscribe to them. It's a shout out. And yeah. And guys, I am also playing on PC, so make sure you guys download BlueStacks. You can get a bunch of free games like Among Us free. You don't have to pay for Among Us. Like 1v1 LOL you can play, but it's gonna be playing like mobile. As you can see, I'm not playing on mobile. It's just like a thing like over there. So yeah. Make sure you guys go sub to my Twitch, which is FrozenFishy1, and also go follow my friend's Twitch, which is 1v1.lol. Sorry if I said that wrong. Go subscribe. Go follow LS Swagger on Twitch. Whew. Alright. Guys, and make sure you make sure you subscribe to this channel and Parkour Vultures PV, and make sure you put on post notifications and like our video. Alright, make sure you guys go do that. And it would also mean a lot if you do leave a comment and just say how you think we did our Parkour PV video. And yeah. Now I'm gonna stop talking so I can play. So yeah. Oh, let's go, guys. Alright, guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and please leave a like and subscribe with post notifications. Peace.